Okay. Click this button. Right, so today I'm doing a full refactor of some of the very core classes of this, my engine, if you can even call it an engine. So basically, rectangle used to inherit from shape, which is an sfml class, or actually it inherited from. No, shape is a class I made. Wait, I'll just show you here. It used to inherit from this class, shape, which inherits from sftransformable, and transformable is just a matrix. It's like a positional matrix, and it does like matrix multiplication for you. And for some reason, I thought this was going to be a good idea, and this has been like this for a long ass time. But in reality, the matrix shit is just. It's needlessly complicated, and though it's technically more efficient, it's really not necessary. Nor does it really speed up my program very much at all. Because I don't really use it. I think the point of using matrices is that you can multiply them all, and basically do like a lot of like steps, like move and rotate all at the same time in a single matrix multiplication. I don't ever use this. It's not. And the issue with this is that it very heavily overcomplicated this class. And now that I'm looking at the serialization, it fucks really. I can't fucking the matrix shit, dude. Everything is private in SFML. None of this is just good. It was needlessly complicated, and it was totally necessary. So time to rewrite. So everything that has anything to do with shape is going out the window. Bam. So if I compile, there is very little chance. Well, let's just compile. It's gonna give me like a shitload of errors, and that's okay. I'm not actually gonna look at them right now. So this constructor I removed. This constructor I removed. And this is the only constructor that I actually care about. I also made way too many constructors. Like there used to be like 10 constructors here or something, and I never use any of them. This is the only one I ever use. So I'm cutting it down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, and I don't think actually. I don't think I actually use this. But I'll keep it in just in case. Actually, will I? Yeah, it uses the other constructor. So which ones am I keeping? Okay, so only one that. So, look, these have the. No, this one doesn't. But I can get rid of this one. It's sfrect. Do you see it here? I don't see it. Oh, it's the bottom one. Rectangle, left, right. Yeah, so it's gonna be giving me a lot of errors. A lot of fucking errors. Does this conversion even make sense? This conversion doesn't even make any sense. A rect is a far more basic class. However, I could actually do this. So this isn't right. Yeah, it should be like this. So just call it rect. Yeah, this is fine. Actually, I don't even need to do it like this. I could just do this. And it doesn't do anything else. That's fine. Which reminds me. angle should be 0. Unless otherwise stated. Okay, so let's keep going. We're gonna remove a lot of shit. This looks fine. What is this? Get transform point. Fuck, dude. This isn't gonna work like this anymore. Actually, what I need to do is this class actually needs a fix function. Void, oops, fix. Oops. So rect is actually fine. I haven't actually done anything to this except I added float, which I will start integrating later on. Yeah, the float switch angle, and this is just based off as a float red, which is a very simple class. That's totally fine. It has 4 members, just top, left, width, height. That's it. Nothing crazy about this class. Totally fine using this. What was I doing? I was looking for something. I don't remember what though. Okay. Oh yeah, right. I was going to write a fix function. So I also realized that sort of separating the header and the CPP file is kind of pointless. It doesn't. Oh, now I remember what I was looking for. I was looking at rectangle H, see if the fix function. Okay, looks good. That's what it should look like. I guess I should copy this. Okay. So remember, everything here just is very simply based off top left width height. Oh yeah, so there's actually no size. It's just width. Doesn't use F2 as either. So if width is less than 0, then left, oops, so let's say left is like 0 and it's minus 50, then the new left is going to become and we'll just do the same thing with height. And this is going to be top. Real simple shit. Okay, now I'm going to go here. Instead of doing this, we don't need to redefine this now. This is fine. Now that this is in rec, it automatically gets inherited, and there are no changes I need to make to this. Okay. So this is some vague ass fucking function that probably doesn't matter at all, but I should look for shape. Or, what is that transformation? Is that it? There's no other transformation shit? Okay. Okay. Here's all the transform shit. Yeah, it just occurred to me that this contains a size, which is now totally unnecessary. Or what? I don't know if this is probably not possible at all. I should just delete size. So anything that contains size just also needs to be changed. Okay, so that's it. This is stupid? Question mark? Rect. I can cast this into should I though? No, I should just do it the good way. Okay, so top. I need this. Real simple shit. Okay, so size shows up a bunch of times right here. Okay, so some of these functions are going to be in rect, right? Right, there it is. And that's exactly what it should be. So there's no reason to have this in here. And yeah, and shit like get width, get height are totally here. Let's get rid of those. Get rect. Is there something like that here? There is. So I don't think this, I need to redefine this. Okay, now all these vague transform bullshit things. Actually get top center. Oh, I do have these defined here. Okay, cool. So I can just get rid of these. These don't matter. I don't actually use these functions very much either anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, what else? Distance squared. Actually, this I don't even need to change anything here. Here, this is an important one. Center. This function I use literally all the fucking time. So this function I have a center function. It does. Okay, so this is kind of important, but I'm gonna just remove this. Center is a function I use so much throughout my code. Like all the fucking time. So it's kind of important that it works the same as it did before. If it doesn't, well then I'll figure it out, you know? It's not that big a deal. Right. Top left, bottom right, top right. Again, I'm like 99% sure. Yep, these are just here. How much fucking overlap is there? So I just remove this once again. So I did make a commit of the state of the game before I started doing this. So if everything is just unrecoverable, I can go back. Texture, small circle, size. This I need to fix. Chain operator, full track, and track. See, this is why it's nice to do things like this. Otherwise, I would have to change it every fucking time. Now I could just do bam, change it once, and it's fine. Top left is get top left. No, wait, it's just top left. There we go. Size underscore. Okay, whoa, there's a couple more. Set size. Yep, those are in there. You know, now that I think about it, I'm pretty sure I based these on each other. Set height, set width, set size, set top, set left, set texture rect, so I can get rid of top left. Yeah, I mean, like, set height, set width, set size, set size. Set top, set left, or those there? Yep, set top, set left. Get top, get left are also superfluous. Yep. Get up, get position. This is really, oh boy, that is, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Whew. Okay, this is gonna break a lot of shit, but I'm gonna delete this. God damn, dude, everything is gonna be fucked. Every single UI thing I've ever wrote. If I've ever written is just going to be broken right now. Okay. Anything else that needs to be fixed here? I don't think so. Anything related to shape? No. Anything related to transformations? Transform? Yeah, that seems right. Just delete this. This is nonsense. Why is this class indented? Okay, I think that should be it. Aren't there things like set angle? Oh, you know what? Actually, there aren't anything. Okay. So what I did is I relied on the inheritance of shape for things like set angle and get angle and shit like that, which I now need to write here, I guess. Yeah, I guess I'll just do that right now real quick. Like, just add them, even though the angle doesn't do anything. Not that big a deal. Get angle. Okay, so those are the basic ones. I don't think anything else is really super interesting. Get position, set position. Yeah. So I also had the brilliant idea that get position should return the center of the rectangle instead of the top left corner, because that makes more sense. And that was just a fucking terrible mistake. I should not have done that. That was really stupid. Yeah. Okay, what else do I need to fucking write? Okay, so let's just compile and see what the compiler spits at me and start fixing the very first error it gives me. There we go. Vector 2f top left is equal to top left. Function, this is a rectangle set quad, which is vector 2 float. No much call to That's weird. Isn't that weird? Let's try this. I don't think that should be necessary, right? Only if they have the same name. Which they don't. I guess this is fine too. Okay, so it's not throwing that many errors at me yet, which probably means it's get rotation. Okay. Get rotation. I know it's really inefficient to call this through a different function. You know what, actually, instead of this, let's just do this another way. I shouldn't be calling get rotation anyway. Oh god. I don't know how far back I have to go. Okay, so let's just restart this. Yep, okay. Make debug. So the reason I restarted it is so that I can just scroll all the way to the top and see the first error, and not have to worry about where the fuck I am. Guess that's the downside of GDB. So this is in rectangle.cpp as well. Okay, so this is actually kind of interesting. This, wait, is it an H? It's an H, isn't it? Wait, is it? No, it's not. Oh, here it is. this is actually used for, or it will probably be used for packets for multiplayer. It's a distinct possibility. Okay, there's actually not that many errors. There are a few, however. Okay, so this is units. $25 matches. Is there a way to do this? Let's try this. Should I do this? No, let's do this. Whoops. This is kind of better anyway. Should be with. These are all X's, right? Yep. Alright, let's see what else is out here. Okay, so none of these are actually like sizes. God damn, this is ugly. Has no size, not interesting. Nope. Oh, we're back at the top. Okay, so that was it, I think. What else? Intersects. No matching function for call. Right. Okay. So these are functions I'm gonna need to write. Yeah, okay, this is just a... And let me think about this for a little bit. What other kind of intersection do we have here? Intersect line, and then it's intersect. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's just start. Let's make this function real quick. Put it anywhere, it doesn't really matter. I did just say this was kind of pointless, but it is sort of nice to be able to just click here, see the functions, and not have to like it's easier to find shit when you don't have like a long function. But you know, I noticed I did break this rule several times. Not really a rule, but I did like put code in here. Yeah, I think it's fine though. So right now I don't even think I use any kind of rotated collision. Is rect right? Now I'm pretty sure that shape has some kind of intersection. Yep, there it is. Do I want to use that though? I don't think so. Let's take a look at what I can find here for intersect functions. Basic intersects. Yeah, bam, this is it right here. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah.
Are you downloading?
No.
Are you positive?
Yes. That was just some idiot. Okay. So this intersects function is going to be the exact same thing. Although I don't actually need to do... Like left and top are already defined, I don't need to do this. I guess this is fine. Left top. Yeah, okay, so this is good right here. We have our intersects function. I think it should automatically like convert if you call this with the rectangle as a rect because it inherits, so that should be fine. Yep, that should be fine. Okay, let's recompile. And I'm gonna like mark like right here so I can find it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, I guess it is. Okay. Okay, so the issue with this is that it does not take into account angle at all. Yeah, so this is the same as basic intersects, which reminds me. I think I should just remove this. I can fairly confidently replace basic intersects with intersects. I don't think I actually ever use. Let's just see them all though. I guess if I haven't. I don't think I ever actually use any kind of like angled rectangles or anything like that. Doesn't look like it's giving me. Ooh, there are some errors. Grid square was not the cut. Yeah, I think so. Okay, what else? Set origin. I actually don't know what this is, but let's just replace this with set position. Wait, no, that'll never work. So we create a life bar here, which is a rect unit center. We get size divided by 1.75. That's the position. Okay, let's get rid of this. And size is health. Okay, well that makes sense, I guess. Oh, this is the height. Cause some stupid shit right here. I guess we could just get rid of that. Maybe it'll work. Who knows? I think it should work. There's definitely gonna be some shit broken though, for sure. this button. Okay, so it looks like it's compiling. It hasn't given me any errors yet, which usually means there aren't going to be any errors, but... Okay. See if I have that correct. Yes. Okay. So no errors. Whoa, okay, let's see how broken everything is, guys. So I'm anticipating menus will be broken, UI will be broken. Just things will be drawn weirdly, probably. Anything that involves rotation is going to be broken. Look at this. Okay, so the menu is broken. No surprise there. Start the game. Has not crashed yet. The machine is so slow. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so the the box select is also broken. Yep. Okay. Yep. This is also broken. So I'm pretty sure. Okay, that wasn't mine. Let's go building editor. See how broken the UI is. So yep, UI is also broken. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Okay, so this actually works still. Cool. Okay, so the menu thing, menus are shitty. That's also very old, very shitty code that I need to fix. Yeah, so how do I let me think about this. The selection box thing. Okay, so that's actually not in this file. Draw a box from points. Endpoint.x, startpoint.y. So I'm thinking that this is actually the thing that is broken, this create line between points. I think I actually saw this defined somewhere. The question is, do I actually want to use this? I think the answer is actually gonna be no, I don't. I want to, for drawing things, I should actually just draw lines, right? So let's just do that real quick. Yeah. So we're gonna open a file. We're gonna look at sfml. Look at the includes. Look at the graphics. So this should be under graphics. And let me think about this. Render window. No, that's not right. You know, I'm gonna Google this. sfml. I just need to know what the syntax is. So actually, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new vertex array, and I'm gonna create it at the level units. I think I can find it. There it is. Yeah, there's a couple vertex arrays here. So here's another vertex array. And this is going to be line vertices. So I'm going to use the OpenGL primitive type, that is lines, and draw them that way. And this is what I want to know. This is what I was looking up, the primitive type. What is it exactly called? It's probably called like SF line or lines. I guess lines. I guess more plural. Lines. SF lines. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Now I need to go here. And I just need to draw them. And now the question is, oof, now this is a tricky one. Where do I actually draw these lines? 40 units, after units? Probably before text. Map states, texture. Cooldown vertices. That doesn't actually matter. So I probably want to draw it for anything UI related. So probably like right here. And this is just going to be game units. What do they call it? Line vertices or something? Line vertices. Boom. Just like that. And I'm pretty sure this should work. Don't think I need to add anything else here. This doesn't need a state. Does it need a state? I don't think so. No, this doesn't need a state. Doesn't need a texture. Doesn't need shit. Okay. And now I want to go to, okay. So I guess I wanted to add a real simple function. I guess I could just add that anywhere, but I think I should go to F2. I think that makes sense. Oops, this is the wrong one. F2.h. Yeah. And what was I gonna add? I don't know if I want to add it as a static method, like I did right here, or just add it as, or just add it to this file and don't bother with putting it in a class. And I think that actually makes more sense. What function was I making? All right. Set. So we're gonna do. I don't think this returns anything. Set line. Verts. And the thing is, let's go to. Yeah, this is what I want. A color, yep, that's fine. And the line, of course, which I totally forgot about that. I actually don't have like a line class, and I think maybe I should make one. Then again, maybe not. F2 start, F2 end. SF vertex. Let's think about this for a second. Yeah, this is what I want to do. So, vertices append. Vertices append as a vertex. So I think this is just like real simple, like start, color, and end. I don't think I need to do anything else. I don't even know why this took so long. No, wait, I need thickness too. There's no shape cast for lines. The reason is simple. If your line has thickness, it is a rectangle. Oh. Fuck. Okay. In that case, I can't actually do it like this. Fuck. Okay, fuck. Lines with thickness. Ah, whatever. Okay, fine. So like this. And I'm gonna go to units at H. Just remove this. If I can't have thickness, then it's kind of pointless. Okay, so let's just fix create line between points, which I saw defined somewhere. So this is some real stupid shit. I don't know why I did this way. This is actually completely pointless if I'm not gonna make it part of the class. I might as well put it here. Really, literally pointless. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Direction, rectangle.
Nee.
Nee. Ik ben bezig.
Ja, dus.
Zometeen. Damn, this compiling is so slow. How far behind am I? Oh wait, this just happened. Wait, I can just tell. It should be transmitting right now. I think the stream may be fucked for some reason. It's fucking recording if I click. Okay, so it should be on. Oh, it's like really far behind. Okay. Shit. It's clearly in the wrong position. Oh, you know what I should do? I just had an idea. I just had a good idea. Stupid. Don't do this. Whoa, what the fuck? 2 minuses right here. Okay, let's, instead of doing all this nonsense, I could just do this. Compile again. Okay. I don't know. I really don't get why people think people are gonna steal your fucking code. Like that is the stupidest fucking thing you could possibly think. It's clearly the kind of people that are. I don't know, man. If you think that, you're just stupid. That's just you're just stupid. Either you haven't like programmed a large code base, or you're just stupid. Like I mean, nobody gives a shit about your shitty fucking code. Is the fucking oh, you know what? I think the whoops. Oh, did I fucking closed the wrong thing? I think the God damn it, that was the wrong button too. Oh no, I keep fucking clicking the wrong buttons, guys. Jesus Christ. What a fucking disaster. Cue this, kill this. Do this. Oh god. Oh Jesus. Like nobody gives a shit about your shitty code, man. Like everything. There is so much free code available for anything, for like all kinds of games, and nobody gives a shit. Like I could fucking make a Total War clone by myself in like 20 years, and it's fucking technically perfect, and I release the source code. How many people are gonna fucking look at that source code? No one. No one is gonna fucking look at it. Nobody gives a shit. Anything, it's just so pointless, man. Anything anyone's ever made is fucking okay. So the problem is that the fucking text is getting set. Oh, dude, I don't even. Oh my gosh, look at this fucking offset right here, and it's because. Oh, thank God, I fix it. Okay, I haven't even tested.